Hi, it's Heather Michet bringing you a sustainability adventure experiment today. Now, check out these green onions. I don't know if they can even be considered green onions because not much green left, and look at how dried out they are. Yep, these were found forgotten in the vegetable drawer in the fridge. So stick with me through this video to see what we're going to try and do with these poor, forgotten, sad green onions and see if they can turn into beautifulness as others have. So here's what I'm going to try is getting these guys into some water. So let's begin. So I've just grabbed a glass jar here and have put probably a little bit too much water in there. I really only need about maybe 2 inches worth. I may dump a little out. But filtered water with a Multipure filter. The only way to go for cooking water, drinking water. Get all of the nasty stuff out. I'll put a link if you want to learn more about these best water filters in the description of the video below. So all I'm going to do is just take these poor, look how dried out they are. Oh, poor guys. And why compost them? I'm just going to do this experiment and put them in the water. Just make sure that the roots are in there. I'm going to dump out a little bit of water because it's too much. And then see what happens. I'll keep you posted, but I think they're going to probably be okay in a few days or maybe a week. Find out. It is astounding to me how much life force energy, also known as chi, can remain in a plant even as far advanced into looking like I'm done, I'm dead. These guys look. Yeah, there's a little bit of green there, but that's not very green. Certainly not a bright green. And you know, I've done so much fun stuff with growing veggies from scraps and so on. I mean, check out what the green onions look like that I rescued from a Walmart parking lot of all places. Well, check these guys out. Look at these happy, 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 happy green onions. They were not happy green onions several weeks ago. They got to this place, but I've also, you can see, I've also cut a bunch off to use in cooking. And so great. That water needs to be changed. When it starts looking cloudy like that, change your water, dump it out, and then put some more filtered water in there so it doesn't get all slimy. But I don't think I'm ever going to buy green onions again. I mean, certainly I'll plant them in the ground in the garden, but look at this. I mean, there's just perfect green onion to use for cooking and eating. Excellent, excellent. Yeah, so the big bunch here with the blue band around them, that was the entire new bundle of green onions that I found literally lying on the pavement in a Walmart parking lot. I had gone to park, not shop there. I don't shop at Walmart. But had gone into the parking lot just to sit and take a couple notes after an appointment. And I looked over and here was this entire, nothing taken from them, group of green onions. So there's evidence, there's proof. So we'll see what happens with these guys. Maybe they can have a little companionship with their happy neighbors. And I've just kept these out on my deck, out of the elements and next to the patio door. So they're not getting hailed on or getting too much water in them. And certainly working for these guys. Now, I've also not had temperatures overnight in the 20s or way, way, way extended cold temperatures either. So if that happens, I will pull them inside to stay warmer and not freeze. But also being close to the house, they're pretty well insulated from getting damaged. So I'll keep you posted. I'll also link a couple of the videos that these found green onions have starred in. It's amazing how much life is living in simple plants and how much waste there could have been had I dumped two beautiful, soon to be beautiful, because I think these guys are going to make it. I just have a hunch. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hitting that subscribe button. Thanks for liking the video, sharing it with others who are interested in zero waste, also interested in cooking and living sustainably. Here's to your health and the health of the planet.